Threats of biological weapons. In this session, we will talk about the potential threats of bioweapons और bioterrorism. जैसे कि हम bioweapons और bioterrorism पहले से ही पढ़ चुके हैं, जिसमें हमने ये भी पढ़ा कि कौन-कौन से infectious agents bioweapons के तौर पे इस्तेमाल किए जा सकते हैं. अब हम recent history पढ़ेंगे regarding bioweapons. So let's look at the story of recent history regarding bioweapons. In 2001, Tom Dashley, who was the United States leader of Senate, he received a letter containing the spores of anthrax. Actually, Bacillus anthracis is a bacteria that produces toxins known as anthrax, and it can affect the nervous system of an individual. टॉम डैशले के साथ जितने स्टाफ मेंबर्स और पुलिस ऑफिसर्स एसोसिएटेड थे, उनका सैंपल लिया गया, नेजल स्वैब सैंपल के तौर पे कलेक्ट किया गया. उसके जरिए मालूम हुआ कि 23 स्टाफ मेंबर्स और 5 पुलिस ऑफिसर्स एंथ्रेक्स से अफेक्टिव हैं. देन इस स्टोरी ने सिटीजन्स में एक फियर क्रिएट कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सासिन, जो कि 3rd जनरेशन ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक है, दे स्टार्टेड स्टॉक पाइलिंग ऑफ सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सासिन. Now, why bioweapons are acting as a potential threat? Keep in mind that no doubt infectious agents that can act as bioweapon, they can be theft from the high containment labs. But keep in mind that bioweapons are naturally present in the environment, and they act as a potential threat because no special infrastructure is required. There is no need to hire manpower for spreading the bioweapons. It is easier and faster as compared to atomic bomb even. That's why atomic bomb now it is known as poor man atomic bomb, as bioweapons are cost effective if we compare it with the atomic bomb. Because bioweapons, they also cover the large area. They not only cover the community, but it can cover the whole population. पूरा मुल्क उस bioweapon की लपेट में आ सकता है. Then why it is acting as a potential threat? The main reason is that bioweapons are very difficult to diagnose, as these are the frustrated organisms, and they are very difficult to treat because no vaccines and no therapeutic agents are available against them. As a result of which the death rate due to bioweapons increases, और जो लोग हालत मर्ज में मुब्तला हैं, उनकी भी परसेंटेज बढ़ जाती है. So there is high mortality and morbidity rate due to the spread of bioweapons. Now keep in mind that sometimes these bioweapons can be contagious. They can be transferred from one individual to another. The examples are of smallpox, plague, viral hemorrhagic fever. So this creates a panic situation among public. That's why bioweapons are also known as weapon of mass destruction. Now, detection devices, equipments, and the surveillance equipments are available in different developed countries, for example, in United States and as well as in Japan. Let's take an example of Japan, which is very high in technologies, even in biotechnology. जापान की स्टेट में एंटर होने से पहले फॉरेनर्स पूरी तरह बायोवेपन्स के अगेंस्ट स्क्रीन होते हैं. अगर कोई बायोवेपन डिटेक्ट नहीं होता, तब फॉरेनर्स जापान की स्टेट में एंटर हो सकते हैं. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ these detection devices and equipments which are available in Japan. But all countries, all even developing countries, they can't afford these devices or equipments क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा expensive हैं. Only developed countries can make use of these equipments and create a defense against the bioweapons.